Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 10th, 2021. I'm the crypto analyst, and I'm going to try to give you all my perspective as to why I'm looking for Bitcoin to explode to higher prices. You guys can see from our price chart that we did a price prediction not long ago. We did an updated video in Bitcoin on November the 6th, telling you all that we were still looking for the market to go down, and now that's not the case. The market is anticipating that Taproot to be implemented on the blockchain so the price can go up, right? So I want to come in right before the price explodes up to higher movement and see, okay, cool, where can we see the market go in Bitcoin? So welcome to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. We're not going to give you none of that confusion. We're not going to talk about technical analysis. We're not going to give you no technical indicators on our chart. We simply look at what people are doing with their money so that we can be in position and dominate this cryptocurrency space. So make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. So now check this out. Yeah, I didn't get this price prediction right. I'm gonna keep it real. Price didn't go down to Bitcoin, which is cool. I mean, we expected that. Yeah, the chances of us seeing the price go down is not extreme. We knew that the probability of Bitcoin going up was definitely something that can happen, and that's pretty much what the price has done. So given that that's been the case, we already know where the market is trying to go. It's trying to go up. So outside of us missing our price prediction, okay, cool, we got that one wrong. But we need to capitalize on this updated price target that we're going to give you all today in Bitcoin. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction. 13.8% loss from our price prediction. We're not going to get everyone right, but best believe we get the majority of our price predictions correct. So yeah, he got us on this one, and he's going to win a couple of them. But for the most part, we're here to dominate this space and beat him at his own game. Now, who I'm talking about is the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. That's the criminal. That's the crook. We don't like him. We need to make sure that we take advantage of everything that he tries to do into the market so that we can win and he loses. All right. So let me get rid of this price prediction chart right here. And now take a look at this, right? So rather than us seeing the price in Bitcoin go down from our horizontal line right here, this was acting as restriction in Bitcoin. Now, rather than us see the price react to that, and us see the price go extremely lower, we didn't get that. But instead, Bitcoin hugged this restriction area, right? It hugged it. It simply means that the market was opening like a parachute and just simply letting everyone who was trying to sell out the market in Bitcoin to fill their bags. This has been the process in Bitcoin ever since October the 15th. So here we are about a month in, and the market is still hugging right there around $64,000. Now, recently we broke out of that to the upside. It lets us know now that the market in Bitcoin is on the move. The market is on the move in Bitcoin. We appreciate this information because it literally lets us know where the market is trying to go. So let me get rid of that. So now the market in Bitcoin is on the move. Cool. Now going forward, all right, I'm going to take away this ascending line because we are trading so far away. Well, we're trading so far away from that ascending line that is not applicable. And I'm not about the confusion on my price charts. I want my price charts to be clean. The cleaner your chart, the better you're able to see what market is trying to do. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. And now let's show you all the trend, okay? Because this market in Bitcoin is in a very massive uptrend. Let's not get it twisted. This is not going to continue forever. So let me put this all into context. I don't want you all to think that Bitcoin is going to go up metaphorically without coming down. Like, this ascending line cannot be sustained. And I'm not expecting it to last long. I'm going to keep it real with our subscribers. I'm not looking for this to last long. It's going to break. And when it breaks, it's going to be a pretty good move to the downside. Okay. So this area now, $65,000, $64,000 needs to be the area of support as we see price go up. All right. So we need to try to gauge where the market price in Bitcoin needs to hold for support going forward. And it's right here. Okay. So once this ascending line breaks, once price breaks this ascending line, right? Once we break this ascending line, the market will have to come back down to like $60,500 to let us know that the buyers are coming in to prop up the market price. And as we see that, then we know that the market's going to continue to go up. Now, as we see this price in Bitcoin, as it continues to trade up higher, right? And we break this trend and we still see weakness right here around $60,000, 60,500. Then we know that we're going to go a lot lower in price. It's just that easy, just that simple. We can actually pinpoint what we need to be on the lookout for in Bitcoin's price. But right now, the market here in Bitcoin is relatively strong. Now, outside of us trading in all-time high areas, that's the only issue I see. We have no idea. There's no information here in the background of this chart that we can say, okay, the next spot for us to see selling in Bitcoin is here, is at 72,000, is at $75,000. There's no history. There's no market ever established in Bitcoin's history of seeing the price trade above $70,000. So we got to be real careful from that standpoint. Okay. So my price prediction today, wherever price goes within our price target area, you will have to grab the bag because there's no guarantee that we're going to go higher than that. So that's why I wanted to show you all where we needed to see Bitcoin's price come and hold on this breakage of this ascending line. Okay. So the last 3-day price bar is the reason why I'm still looking for the price to go up though in Bitcoin. Okay. So let me show you what we have. So ultimately, $60,000, $59,750 is support. Okay. That's the first spot. But if we're able to see on any movement to the downside in Bitcoin's price and we still see strength come in at $63,500, then we're going to go a lot higher into our price target area. Okay. We're going to go a lot higher than that. Now, let's say Bitcoin's price falls down to 60,000, then our price target area, we might come up here towards 70,000, 72,000. We won't come all the way up here towards $76,000. We won't. Okay. So I'm going to give you all the play here into the market in Bitcoin. Now, this is it right here. We're going to play the strength into the market in Bitcoin. I'm definitely looking at support coming in around $64,000 first. Then second area support is around 60,000. As long as Bitcoin's price trades above $60,000, even under the auspice of us breaking this ascending line, I'm still looking for the market to go up in Bitcoin. Okay. It's just that easy, just that simple. So now let me run this back to the daily time frame because we want to make sure we keep in line with what the market is showing us from a daily perspective, because once it changes, then we'll come in and actually revamp our prediction. That's how you have to move into the market right here. So anywhere in the green is TP. TP simply means to take profit into the market in Bitcoin. Obviously, if you're in this for the long term, then this is not applicable to you. Okay. If you're looking for Bitcoin to hit $1 million per coin, then yeah, this doesn't matter because you got a long way to go before the market actually hits that. All right. So this is it. This is my updated price prediction into the market in Bitcoin. Everything looks pretty decent. Still looking for the market to give us some ascension in higher prices. Right. And now we're in position. So now it's your turn. I mean, this is what I'm noticing on the price chart in Bitcoin since our last video. Now I wanted to come and update you all as to what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do now. And now I want you all to hit me up. Drop me a comment right now and tell me, where do you think Bitcoin's price is going to go? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.